Working with a multimedia presentation and came across a SMIL file? This is a W3C standard for synchronized media playback. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you understand and work with these multimedia presentation files. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful SMIL file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. SMIL files are Synchronized Multimedia Integration Language. Presentation files a W3C standard for describing multimedia presentations, combining audio, video, text, images, and animations with temporal synchronization. They define when, where, and how media elements are displayed, enabling complex multimedia sequences without programming or video editing. SMIL files use XML syntax with timing elements including SEQ for sequential playback par, for parallel playback, and excl for exclusive playback. Media references use elements like video, audio, IMG, and text with begin, dur, and end timing attributes. Layout elements define screen regions for spatial media positioning. The specific reading module for SMIL files is provided by Apple QuickTime Player from Apple Inc. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows may present readable code, but only browsers execute client-side scripts. Your most crucial first action is the file association test. Right-click the SMIL file and choose Open With. If Apple QuickTime Player is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If your SMIL file is not opening yet, that is normal. This format is tricky. Since the SMIL file is so specific, let's confirm your environment. We need to verify these key details before fixing the error. First, playing SMIL presentations. Open SMIL files in media players that support the format. RealPlayer historically provided strong SMIL support. QuickTime Player on older macOS versions also renders SMIL presentations. For modern playback, the Ambulant open-source SMIL player provides current platform support for SMIL 3.0 presentations. Next, editing SMIL files. Open SMIL files in any text editor or XML editor to view and modify the multimedia presentation definition. The XML structure clearly shows media element references, timing sequences, and layout regions. Modify timing values, media source paths, and layout dimensions to adjust the presentation composition and synchronization. Finally, converting to video. For portable playback, convert SMIL presentations to standard video format by playing the SMIL file and capturing the output using screen recording software. Alternatively, use FFmpeg with the flavify input to combine the referenced media elements into a single video file following the SMIL timing specifications manually. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.